Hello my good people, and welcome back to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. So on this episode we are learning how to bake a lemon cake the kienyeji way at home kama huna oven. So hii keki yetu inapikwa na jiko, so stay tuned as we start the recipe. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment nicely. For us to connect lazima subscribe. So thank you. Let's start. So soft. We have 250 grams of sugar, 150 ml of some oil, 350 margarine, some baking powder, all-purpose flour. I've already put my baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon, 5 ml of water, some 8 eggs and some lemon zest. So we start. Put in your margarine. The reason as to why tumeweka mafuta ndio isikue na mututu mob. Ni crumbs ama zinaitwa aje hizo. Yes, so we mix. We are cooking the kienyeji, so hatuna mixer. You mix till you can't feel the sugar particles. This is our mixture. So the next thing after mix your sugar na margarine, you put your eggs one at a time. One egg at a time. Egg number 2. Ensure that your egg haionekani, the egg white part and the yolk part. Beat until it's smooth. So you come naona how smooth my mixture is. Our number 3 egg. This makes your cake even softer. When baking, it's preferable that you use Prestige. It's better kwa sababu haina maji. So na pia iko na keki tamu. This is our last egg. Ensure imemix kabisa. After that, after you put all your eggs, your 8 eggs, pia 10 ukitaka, you put in your flour. Kumbukeni we had already put our baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon. Then mix. Vizuri. Na kama mli notice, we did put 250 grams of sugar kwa sababu hii hatutaki sukari mingi na ilifaa tuweke 500 grams. So nikasema tukule keki sio tamu sana. You can try it usikie. Here it is. Then you come in with your water. 500 ml. Then you mix. Pole pole. Hivi ndivyo inakaa after you put in your water. Ensure kila particle imemix vizuri. Hakuna some zinaitwaje, some two things zenye hazija mix. So after that, because we are cooking the kienyeji way, tunaput our lemon zest. Lemon zest na juice ya lemon. So hakuna kuweka flavors ama food color. It's the kienyeji way. Very sweet. That's our last ingredient to put. Yes. And we are done with our dough. We are done. Sasa hiyo haikuwa kazi. Kazi sando inaanza. Let me show you. Here is our sufuria. Tunatumia sufuria because it's a kienyeji. You put all your dough. Next thing we need is a well-lit Jiko and some Jivu. So you come in with your Jivu. Uimwage huko ndani. Ina prevent cake from getting direct heat. Let me cover it, I show you. That's how our Jiko looks like. So it prevents the cake from getting direct heat. So itaiva tu pole pole ka kwa oven. And then you place, there is our cake. So we give it time, 1 hour 30 minutes ndo proof, and then I show you the next step. Our cake has proofed, as you can see, imefura. Yes, so I show you the next step. After it has proofed, you put some hot charcoal on top of your mabati I mean. Yes, and then you give it like 45 minutes to kuiva. Yes, our cake is still cooking. It's almost ready. So I'll just check. Inakaa hivyo. Bakisha like 10 minutes. Then tuitoe. Our cake is finally ready to be eaten. Inakaa hivyo. Yes, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment nicely. That's it for today. Yes, till next time. Goodbye.